Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Fiesta. This is SM Asif and that's the third part of the tutorial Introduction to Flutter, and in that specific tutorial I will show you how to design a left drawer navigation. So here is the design. So in this design we can see one left drawer navigation where in the header portion we have one image, rounded image actually, and below that we have two texts, first the name and then the email, and after that header portion we have three options as our drawer options actually. Icon beside one text, so there will be three fragments option inside this drawer navigation. So we can see in the each option there is one icon and the text. So at first for this setup of the icon and text for each drawer options, I will declare one class named drawer item, and inside that I will declare two variables. First of all, for the title I will declare one string named title, and for the icon I will declare one variable icon data, as I have named this variable icon, and I will simply create one constructor for these two variables and pass through the parameters these two values of title and icon. So in my main screen class I have named it my home page. That will be of course stateful widget that will of course extend stateful widget, and inside that class I have declared one constructor that will have the title as its parameter, and I have also declared one final variable of string type title, named it title, and then I will create one variable drawer items which will be the list of all the drawer items. In the previous slide I have shown you that drawer item class, so this list will be the container of three drawer option. I have done this using this model class. I will simply pass the value of the title of each options. First one the fragment 1, second one the fragment 2, and third one the fragment 3, and in the same way I have declared the icons. First one is the icons.rss feed. I have told you in the previous tutorial that in Flutter we have some built-in icons. For that purpose, at first we need to call that icons class and then dot, and we will have some suggestions there, and from them I can choose the icon I want. So this is a dynamic variable I have declared. In Flutter we can declare one dynamic variable without declaring its type. So this is how drawer items variable is declared, and after that I have to set one variable, and here it is named selected drawer indexed, and there is a purpose behind this adding underscore in front of this variable. The underscore means this variable access modifier is private type, so this variable is of private type, and I have declared the default value of this variable to 0, as in the condition 0 will be our first fragment or first option of our drawer navigation. So in the next method we can see the get drawer item widget. It is also private by declaring the underscore in front of that, and inside its parameter we will pass the position of the selected drawer option, and if the value is 0 we will show the first fragment inside our body. If it's 1, we will show the second fragment. If it's 2, then we will show the third fragment. And in default it will just show the text error. So this is how the function will work when we change the position of each drawer option. And for changing each drawer option, we will have to perform one click event. For each click event, we will call sorry about my slide controlling. That's it. For controlling that click event of each option, we have to declare one method named onSelectedItem, and inside this function we have inside its parameter we will pass the index what we have selected in our drawer option pressed, and if we want to change any variable value of stateful type, we have to call that setState function. Here we can see we have called this setState function, and inside that we have changed the value of our stateful variable selected drawer index to the index passed inside this method. And after calling this, after performing this value change, we have to pop our screen, because just after the value change of the index, we will move to the next fragment which is selected, and we have to pop our previous screen. That's why navigator.off.context.pop is called. Basically we can say this pop option is called to close the drawer. Actually I have written this comment. Once we have performed one click event to one drawer option, the drawer will be closed. That's why the pop work is done here. So after that we will have to design our drawer options. For that we will not write code manually for each of these items. In our case we have 3 items. For that purpose we will just need to write one for loop. As all the drawer option designs are similar, we will have one icon and text. So for that purpose I have declared one variable of var. As I have mentioned in the first tutorial, that var is immutable type, so we can change mutable type, we can change its value. So drawer option is declared as var, and after that I will just simply call one for loop with it will continue till the drawer items length, and inside that we will have one temporary variable to get the each item's value saved in that D variable. And after that drawer options dot add. I have at first I have declared this drawer option list, and inside the for loop I am adding the value inside that. So I am adding one list style which will contain leading icon. As we have seen in our each drawer option, at first we have icon then title. So for that in leading position we will have icon, and in the title position we will have the text title. Okay, so here is another property selected. The I is the value we have in our for loop. That will be the if that will be equal to the selected drawer index. I have already shown this selected drawer index in the previous slide. So if the I is equal to that selected drawer index, it will be colored as blue. We can see that later. And if I have one more property named on tap of each item, I will call that function on select item that I have shown in the previous slide for changing the select drawer index value. That's it. So here is the drawer class we need to call. In the scaffold, I have already told you in the previous tutorials that drawer is another property of scaffold. So inside scaffold we will simply call drawer and then call that new drawer main our main class drawer, and inside that we will have some children. At first we will need column because just before the drawer options I have one header red portion that you have shown that you have seen in the previous slide, that I have a header inside my left drawer. Inside that red portion I have one image and two text, name and email. So for that purpose, all the components are aligned vertically, that's why we need to declare column, and inside the column we will have some children. At first I will declare one container and fixed its height to 200 and fixed its color to red. As we have seen, that header portion is of red color, and inside that container I will have also some children. I have seen one image and two text below that, so I need to add padding around all these components. That's why padding is called, and I want to make that image and text aligned center of the header. That's why that center wizard is called. And after that I have also declared padding around all these components. So inside this I have declared column, and column I have used that property cross axis alignment and cross axis alignment to center. So that part is little bit tricky. You have to be attentive to this topic, because we have to be attentive to this topic because we need to know what is cross axis and we need to know what is main axis. In column, the cross axis means the x-axis that will work horizontally. Okay, so in column the cross axis means which will work horizontally, and as we have declared cross axis alignment to center, it will center horizontal to that entire container. And if we write that main axis alignment, it will work vertically as in case of column, and in case of row that cross axis will be work vertically, and in row the main axis will work horizontally. So if we see the output, we will know that what have this cross axis alignment have done. And inside that column we will have our first children as circle avatar. I have shown that work of circle avatar in the previous tutorial also. We will simply declare our radius we want to add for this circle image, and inside background image I will simply call network image and put the entire URL of that image. So here it is, and after that we need to declare at end of this container, just below that container red container, we will declare a new column which will contain all the drawer options. Okay, all the drawer options, and just below this declaration of drawer we have our body, and the body will call this function get drawer item widget, which will have the parameter of selected drawer index to know which of the drawer options are selected, according to which we will change the screen body fragment 1 2 3. Okay, so here is the output of so far code we have done. We can see in the top we have container with red color, and we have fixed its size to height 200, and this circular image with radius of 40, and here is a setup of all the drawer options. And as I have mentioned you, if we click any of the drawer options, the selected index will be changed, and this is how this color will be selected option will be changed. This is how it works. Okay, so now for adding the two text below the image of this header portion, we need to declare two text. Here is my name and my email. For adding some space or gap between them, I have declared size box, and I have mentioned earlier that if we want the gap or the space vertically, we have to declare that size box height. And here in my case I have used it as size box height to 10, and this is how with the gap these two text are aligned, my name and email. So this is it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the future tutorials I will show more basic components of Flutter. Till then, stay with us. Thank you.